Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are all highly welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you all for your massive support. I really appreciate. And if you are new here, I am Junior Chinyere. And I'm happy to have you as part of my community. Please do well to watch my videos to the end, like, comment, and subscribe. You turn on your notification bell so that you will be having a notification whenever I have a new update. Thank you all. So today in this video, I'm going to be crafting a beaded resin jewelry set from scratch. What I mean by scratch is that I'm going to be molding the bead, then arrange everything after molding the bead to create an earring and a necklace. So you guys join me. Let's do this together. So the first thing to do is to get an accurate measurement of our resin and hardener ratio. After getting the measurement, now mix. In this particular video, I'm not gonna be dropping a specific measurement. Reason because I'm not making use of a weighing balance. I only need a small amount of resin. The mold contains just 6 holes. So the tiny holes only requires a small amount of resin and hardener. I'm gonna be making use of my small mixing cup to measure small amount of resin and hardener and mix. But for the beginners in raising art, I advise you to make use of your calibrated mixing or measuring cup. It's gonna help you. If you can use your weighing balance, you can use your weighing balance as well. So guys, please, if you have any question in regards to raising art, any question at all, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being unnice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to, 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 I need to. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They ain't one bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being unnice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to, 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 I need to hold the corner, and it's so wide. One time, I need to hold the corner, and it's so wide. One time, cause girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get it, look so nice, you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you.
I know why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes, yes. I try to give you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I made it mess up my mind. And I made it make it free up the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I go by. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body.